Hi guys, I'm Mama Bear to Many. I am mom to 15 children. In today's video, my sweet daughter, she is doing a grocery haul for us. This is the last grocery haul that happened before I came home, which is super exciting. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this grocery haul because I'm gonna give just a little tip and trick that we ended up doing as soon as I came home, the day that I came home, just to make life a little bit easier. And if you struggle with just getting things on the table, this might help you as well. So I hope this video blesses you.
Okay, so we're going to do another grocery haul. So, I should have started off with all fridge at the end, but that's okay. So we have frozen peas and carrots, 2 bags of those, and then this is a bag of pineapple chunks, frozen, and then cherry berry blend, a 3-pound bag of that, and then we have Cape Cod potato chips, honey graham, honey kiss cookies, these things, yep. And graham crackers. I'm trying to think I'm like reading the word, but I can't think of the name of it for some reason. Okay, and then we have 4 bags of the romaine lettuce, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 of these Caesar salads, which we'll probably use pretty soon because they don't look the best. They don't look super fresh. We have broccoli. This is 2 pounds of fresh broccoli, sugar snap peas, and then vegetable mix. So 2 bags of those. And then we have 4 bags of carrots and 4 bags of these mini peppers, which are great for all kinds of things. And then we have sliced pepper jack, sliced provolone, and the Fiesta blend of grated cheese. Cream cheese, because cream cheese is good. We got cottage cheese, which I don't like, but let's see. Grapes, 2 bags of grapes, I think a half and half, 2 containers of the plain Greek yogurt, and we got asparagus because Mom said it was on sale, so, and we all love asparagus. It's really good when you fry it up with like garlic and stuff, especially. Okay, 4 bags of these cucumbers, and then 2 of the oven roasted turkey breast, and then 2 hams. And we got 2 bags of these cutie oranges, mandarins, 2 bags of onions, 2 bags of potatoes, and another box of eggs, which, yeah, 60 large eggs are in here. And then we have 3 whole chickens, if you can see through the packaging. So 3 of those, 2 bags of these organic sea salt crispy chips, and then 2 of the sea salt and lime. I've never had these. I don't know if other family members have. I haven't, but got the 2 of those. 2 of the cinnamon raisin bagels, 2 plain bagels, and then she got some gluten-free breads. So this one's Hawaiian sweet, which for the gluten-free, I haven't tasted. I think the Hawaiian sweet was like the most, like less chewy out of all the other ones that we tried. But I don't know the difference between like those and the other ones. And then she got 2 things of the gluten-free everything bagels and keto bagel thins, a bag of those. And then we got, I don't know how many bags, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of chocolate chips. And that is what she got. Actually, we also got water. I just didn't, they're in the other room, so I will show you the water as well. So she got 8 of these waters, distilled waters. And then, that doesn't want to go back in. We also got these baby ones for when Azariah comes home because he's going to need those. So 6 of those and 8 of those. And that is everything that she got on this grocery haul.
It's me. I love the cottage cheese. The cottage cheese with pineapple, yum. I love cottage cheese and pineapple. My grandmother loved cottage cheese too. She used to make cottage cheese sandwiches. So she would put cottage cheese and then grape jelly on bread and eat that as a sandwich. So that's what my grandmother used to eat all the time. So maybe I got cottage cheese loving from her. Okay, so other things, let me think. Oh, the distilled water is for Azariah so that I can make his bottles. Also, I can use the distilled, because we live in the city, we have a filter, a Berkey filter that we are filtering our water through. But I just wanted to use the distilled water for making his bottles and doing flushes for his meds and such. So that is what that is. And there are 15 of us in this house now that Azariah came home. So we are prepping some food things, and I just took a minute because I needed to get a little bit organized. And so my kids and young adults, they just said that they would help me out. So we're getting organized throughout this house. I will share all of that stuff, but for today, we are just getting some food prepped really quick to make the rest of the week a little bit easier. So let's see what we're doing. Okay, so we're trying to get on top of things. So what we're gonna do is just prep some of these vegetables into these containers so it'll be easier for the rest of the week. So she is going to cut up some of these peppers, and then I think we're gonna make some dips to go with these as well. So we have the peppers, we have 4 bags of cucumbers, we have 2 large bags of carrots. I have a thing of broccoli florets. It was cheaper to buy these. The other broccoli looked weird. Anyway, then we have these vegetable melodies and a thing of sugar snap peas and a thing of celery. So this is what it is. We have a bunch of carrot sticks, the celery chopped up, the package of peas. That's the mixed vegetables. We have those 4 bags of cucumbers, these peppers here, and then some broccoli. And then my daughter made 2 dips here. She has a cream cheese with garlic, which is one of our favorites. And then this here is a honey walnut dip that she made. Then we also have this jar of ranch dressing. So these are just gonna get stacked in the fridge, and then we will pull these out with meals as sides. So here we go. We have the 4 stacks of vegetables. I was missing a lid to that last one, so we're gonna have that probably with supper. And so we have these, I kept the mixed vegetables one. We have these 5. We put the 2 dips there and then the dressing here. We also have some yogurt in the back and then cottage cheese on the side that can be for breakfast and or snacks. Well, I hope that video blessed you. If you have any tips and tricks that help make your life run easier, make sure you drop those down in the comments below so we can all read them and share and glean from each other. So I hope you all have a blessed and wonderful day.